Hey, it's Joshua Raider. We're just out here doing a little bit of camping today, up here in the North Woods, at a state park. I'll go into that a little bit more a little bit later, but we're rocking out right now at sun's going down. We're eating up time, so let's do it. Hard to tell how big it is, but it's actually massive. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's pretty windy out here. We're gonna call this one Windy Nights Part 2. Hell yeah. I've been working all week like crazy. I'm using my phone to record right now, but it kind of sucks because it's like bringing out like all this red in my face because I've been working all week. Safety glasses on. And I work at 4 o'clock in the morning every morning, so pretty damn exhausted after this 3-hour drive. Sorry about the footage. I'm going to be switching back to my camera here. This just seems very, very glitchy. But it's a pretty cool little lake there. You can see a beaver dam out there. Pretty sweet. Well, I found a cool little spot over here. Might try this out. See that big lake over here. I don't know if I got a shot of that earlier or not. It's pretty damn windy out. There's the lake down there. Got the tent set up here. Sorry, haven't been recording as much as I should be. It's pretty damn windy out here. I don't really have my regular camera set up like I normally do. But you know what? I'm out here and I'm recording, so get over it. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing my favorite backpacking meals, which I do not take any money from. Which I would take money from. Please give me some. This is Peak Fuel. It's amazing. So it takes less water than regular ones, and there's like actual biscuits in here. So this is not a paid advertisement. This is just living life. Better than Mountain House, I will say that. Hey, how's it going? We just got tents all set up. It's windier than hell out, so we decided to go back to our tents and eat and do a little relaxing in here. I'm gonna go outside here in a minute and wander around a bit. I still haven't set up my actual camera, but temp has dropped so much. One thing that I probably shouldn't have done is I probably should have brought my actual minus 20 degree bag, but I actually brought my 20 degree bag. I'm supposed to get down to 0 tonight, so I'm in for a rough one. Possibly. Still fun. Wind's just whipping through the trees here. Just relaxing. This is what it's all about. Headed out early because I got a class thing going on tomorrow. Some tactical stuff, but hell yeah. It's nice to get out here. I've been working a hell of a lot. I always work well, I got to get up at 3 in the morning for work, so I'm usually pretty damn tired during the week now. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer out here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make it do with my upwind 20 degree bag, and it's probably gonna get down to 0 tonight, so It's risky business, but if you layer up and know what you're doing, you can push a 20-degree bag pretty far. So yeah, there's my setup there. Looks pretty cozy. I'm in an homage to a Hildeberg tent maker. Here's camp. I don't remember the name of my buddy's tent over there, but we'll get a good shot of that tomorrow. It seems like it's a pretty good tent, so he's pretty satisfied. I do hear some creaking out here in the trees and such, but nothing too exciting. It's about, I don't know, 7:30 or 8 o'clock here. I'll have to double check. But yeah, we'll be getting back to, you know, the more serious, really far out camps here pretty soon. So I'll be doing a bunch of my full kit adventures here. Been having a little bit of issues at home, so I've been trying to work those out. So I haven't gotten too many winter episodes done. So. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go inside my tent here. So I'm just getting up here. I got a little bit of cold about 4 in the morning. I got up and put on my sweatshirt. But I'm not sleeping on a winter sleeping pad here, so so yeah, this sleeping bag is freaking awesome. My lumberjack bag. 20-degree upwind. Did a hell of a job. My feet didn't get cold. But if I would have been on a summer sleeping pad, I probably wouldn't have got chilly at all. That's the way it goes. So I'm going to be packing my stuff up here soon. Getting ready to head to a class. Hopefully get some pretty good footage going out. I know it's a real short episode. I apologize for long break with the show. Definitely wanted to get more recorded last night, but I don't know, it's just cold and windy. Hell yeah, all packed up, got my ruck packed, about to head out. I hate going through these damn type of trees. Every damn one is sharp and it stabs you. Pretty thick. Hell yeah. Early morning. On the trip. I know it was a really short adventure, I didn't get much recorded, but you know, just enough to get me back out on the channel again and check in with the guys, and I'll be posting a hell of a lot more here pretty soon. So thanks for joining me on this short adventure, and I'll see you next time. This is Joshua Rader, and this is Unconquered.